today we're going to look at percentage increase and decrease. Nee? So, vermeerdering en vermindering. Okay. If you increase, as jy vermeerder, dan moet jy wat doen?
Plus.
What calculation? Jy moet plus. If you decrease,
Minus.
minus. Okay. So always remember, if you increase something, you add something, so you plus. Nee? If you decrease something, you make something less, so jy minus. Wat doen jy? Okay. Right. So if we look at the sum, for example, let's do this one. I'm doing number 1E on page 121 in your textbook. It says 340 milliliters must be increased by 35%. Does it make sense? So the calculation that you have to do at some point is plus. You moet add and split it plus. Okay. So first of all, you need to figure out what is 35% of 340 ml. Jy moet uitwerk wat is 35% van 340 milliliters. Nee?
Ja.
And then when you get your answer, you're going to add it to 340 milliliters because we are increasing it by 35%.
Yes.
Okay, stap 1. Persentasie beteken
Op 100.
out of 100. So 35% means 35 out of 100.
Times.
Okay? Of van beteken more times. And then your whole number, you always put over 1. Nou gaan ons 'n spelletjie speel. Now we play a game. What is that game? We want to make 100 1. Okay. You want to try and get these numbers as small as possible to make your calculations easier. Okay. So, die eerste ding wat jy raak sien is 'n 0 en 'n 0. Okay? You always cancel your zeros. Why? Because what are we actually doing? Dividing by 10 and dividing by 10. Maak dit sin? Nou kyk ons, wat kan ons nog kanselleer? Hier's 'n 35 en hier's 'n 10. Okay? So jy kan nou of sê 2 gaan in 10 in en 2 gaan in 34 in. Of wat ek sal doen is ek sal sê 5 en 5. Nee. So 5 gaan in 10 in 2 keer. En 5 gaan in 35 in 7 keer. 5 divides into 10 twice and 5 divides into 35 7 times. Okay? Dan kan jy nog verder kanselleer want 2 gaan in 2 in 2 keer en 2 gaan in 34 in 17 keer. 17 times. Does it make sense? So 2 gaan in 2 in 1 keer en 2 gaan in 34 in 17 keer. So now, do you see, we've won the game because our denominators are both 1. Why do we want the denominators to be 1? Ruby?
Jy sê dat dit makliker vir ons is om soos die telle om te kan sien dat dit nie minder hoef te gemaak word.
Want dit is die maklikste ding op die hele aarde om met 1 te deel wat jou antwoord bly dieselfde. Okay, so now we just do 17 times 7. 7 maal 7 is 49. 7 maal 1 is 7 plus 4 is 11. So we have 7 times 17 is 119 over 1 times 1 is 1. So my antwoord is 119. Okay, but what did we calculate? Wat het ons nou uitgewerk?
35% van 340.
We calculated what is 35% of 340 ml. But is this our final answer?
No.
Nee, wat moet ek nog doen? Ergens moet ek plus. Okay? So what am I going to add together?
Jy gaan hier sit 340 ml plus met 18.
Correct, because we have to increase 340 milliliters by 35%. And we just calculate that 35% is 119. So we need to increase 340 by 190. So 340 plus 119. Kyk, jy doen gou-gou 'n vinnige sommetjie en jy sien dit is so therefore
459.
the answer is 459 milliliters. Verstaan julle?
Ja, ek
Almal by? Short and sweet. Okay, wil julle gou 'n vermindering som doen? 'n decrease?
Yes, ma'am.